Hello friends, this is your Amrapal MS. Welcome you all on Maths Train. Our today's topic is Roman numerals.
नमस्ते बच्चों. After summer vacation, we will start our new session once more. Today we will learn our second lesson, Roman numerals. Up to now, you learn about the Hindu Arabic number. This Hindu Arabic numerals are made from the digit 0 to 9. These 10 digits are used to write the numbers, whatever numbers you want. Just like that, 960. This number is written by using the digit 9, 6 and 0. Today we will learn about how to write and read Roman numerals. Students, Roman numerals are made by 7 basic symbols. These symbols are I, V, X, L, C, D, M. This Roman numeral I stands for 1, V stands for 5, X stands for 10, L stands for 50, C stands for the number 100, D stands for the number 500 and M stands for the number 1000. By using these 7 symbols, we can write the Roman numeral. But for that, we need to follow some rules also. The first rule is when a Roman numeral is repeated more than once, we add its value each time to get number. Students, we will see this by taking one example. As I told that I stands for 1. Okay, now I want to write 2. Then I will write double I. First I 1, second I 1, 1 plus 1 I got 2. Now for 3, 1, 2, 3I means 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. So triple I, Roman number triple I stands for Hindu Arabic number 3. Now, second rule. When a smaller Roman numerals written to the left of a greater Roman numeral, the value of a greater numeral is subtracted to the smaller numeral. But before that, we will see the repeated numerals, which Roman numerals get repeated. See, for writing the Roman numerals, all the symbols cannot be repeated. Only some symbols can be repeated. That repeated symbols are I, that is for 1, X, that we write for 10, C, that we write for 100, and M, that we write for 1000. Here I write R. R means repeated. These symbols can be repeated. Please students, note down that when we repeat these symbols, we can repeat it up to 3 times. We can't repeat it for the 4th time. Okay. Here, that's why I could repeat the I up to 3 times only. For writing the 4, I will use this rule. A smaller Roman numeral is written to the left of a greater Roman numeral. Now, after I, there is a greater numeral 5. So, for writing 4, I have to write I before V. means 4. How? The I is written to the left of V. When this is written, then we have to subtract. B for 5, and as I is written to the left of V, we have to subtract 8. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Now for 5 we can write V. Next rule, when a smaller numeral is written to the right of a greater Roman numeral, it is always added from the value of a greater numeral. Smaller numeral is written right of a greater Roman numeral. Here I could write up to V. Now I want to write 6. So I will take a combination of 5 and 1. But for the addition, I have to write this I right of V. VI. V for 5, and as I is written to the right of V, we will add 1. When I is written to the left of V, we have to subtract, and when the I is written right of V, then we have to add. Means VI is for 6. Now our next, I can repeat this up to 3 times. So VI one time repeated, V double I, that is 7, means 5 plus 1 plus 1, then VI triple I, that is for 8, means 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. I can repeat up to 3 times. So I get 8. V triple I for 8. When a smaller Roman numeral is placed between the two greater Roman numerals, then its value is subtracted from the greater Roman numeral on its right. Now for this we have to continue for writing our Roman numerals. Now for the 10, again we could take the help of the greater Roman numeral, that is X. X is written for 10, so Ix is for 9. So it will become 10 minus 1 is equal to 9, and here X for 10. Now when a smaller numeral, suppose I write XIX. So this one, here a smaller numeral is placed between the two greater Roman numeral. Now we have to take out its value, and for that this X stands for 10, and smaller Roman numeral we have to subtract from the greater, that is plus 10 minus 1, and that is equal to 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. So by using these rules you can write the Roman numerals up to 100. Thank you, students.